Yo, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide how to send money from Revolut to Lemfi. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it helps me out. So as you get started with this simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Revolut to Lemfi. So the first thing to do, which is step one, is to get your Lemfi bank details. So open the Lemfi app, then go to your GBP wallet, then tap hard money, then select the instant bank transfer. Then Lemfi will show you your UK bank details like your sort code and your account number. Then after that, you have to move to the step two, which is to open the Revolut app. So open the Revolut app, then tap payment at the bottom, then tap the plus icon on new or send, then choose the bank recipient, then enter the Lemfi bank details from the step one, then enter the amount you want to send. Then after that, you have to confirm and send. To reveal all details, then tap send or confirm, and money is usually delivered instantly to your Lemfi wallet. And that's how to send money from your Revolut to Lemfi. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.